In this video, I'll explain what Facebook does and doesn't allow you to see regarding who views your profile. I'll show you the legitimate insights you can access, along with some safer third-party analytics options to consider. If you are curious about who has been checking out your Facebook, understand that Facebook has privacy measures in place that prevent this. But don't worry, there are still ways to understand your profile's reach and engagement, and I'll give you a clear picture of what's actually possible. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. Now let's get started. Let's break down what Facebook actually shows you. To start, head over to your Facebook profile on the mobile app. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines to open the menu. Then, tap on your profile name to go to your main profile page. Next, tap the 3 dots next to the Add to Story button. Here, you'll find an option called Professional Dashboard. Tap on that. Once you're in the Professional Dashboard, scroll down. You'll see a section called Insights. Tap on See All within that section. This will take you to a more detailed overview of your performance. Here, you'll find key metrics like reach or views, which show you the number of unique people who have seen your content, and importantly, look for profile visits, which directly count how many times your profile has been viewed over the past 28 days. While this doesn't tell you who specifically viewed your profile, it gives you a clear idea of the total number of visitors. Explore the other insights here as well, such as profile visits, which directly count the number of times your profile was viewed. Now, about those third-party apps and websites claiming to show you exactly who viewed your profile, it's crucial to be extremely cautious. Facebook's privacy policies generally don't allow such direct tracking by external apps. Using these apps can sometimes lead to security risks, such as your account credentials being compromised. However, if you're looking for more in-depth analytics about your Facebook presence, particularly for business or creator profiles, consider exploring reputable social media management platforms. These tools often provide insights into audience demographics, engagement patterns, and overall reach, which can indirectly give you a better understanding of who's interacting with your content and, by extension, potentially visiting your profile. Remember, if an app promises to show you exactly who viewed your profile, it's likely too good to be true and potentially risky. To explore more Facebook video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.